Okay, hi guys. Oh, wait. Oh, finally, I got into like Hi guys. I got electricity back in my room. I'm curious. Anyways, I'm just gonna creating a quick grinder tutorial. If you want to see any of the other save slots, actually there's no like the video, I guess, because YouTube's doing this weird thing on where I'm turning on turning on the comments, but it is not working. So yeah, but this is just a tutorial on how to make an AFK grinder. That's obviously why you're here. You're gonna need the screwdriver tool. Yeah, screwdriver. Okay. And first off, you're gonna need a wheel. A wheel. So this might take a little. Okay. Get a wheel. Come on. And there we go. We're gonna place it in the middle of the pathway. I don't want that. Okay, what's the speed? We want wheel speed 5 on the wheel. Wheel speed 5. Okay. That's good. Okay. Yeah, gotta build 50 blocks, I believe. Let me test real quick. Should be 50. Uh, 98. 98. 100. This would be the size of 50 blocks if you're curious, but it already has one. And how much? If you want to, if you already have the scale tool, then you could just use that 95. Yeah, exactly. No, you want to use 100. It's 8. No, it's just 9. You just want to use 98 if you're using CO2. But you do need 50 blocks. I have the CO2, so I am not going to do that. Use any block. I prefer to use a bit of a light, but still not too heavy. I used plastic for my other one, but kind of glitches with plastic because it goes too fast and stuff happens. And if you're in a glitchy server, it's hard. So it's best to do this in private. But if you're like me, you don't have Robux. Okay. By the way, the whole time, if you want to see the other YouTube, if you want me to make more videos for the other slots, it isn't because I'm trying to get money or that stuff. It's the whole entire comment thing that I was saying and how it's not working. Yeah, though I'm turning on comments. Comments disabled. I literally turned it on. I could show a video of me doing it, but I'm pretty sure you guys will believe me, so I don't know if I do that. I believe 4 blocks long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 blocks. Okay, place 1 up in the middle. Oh yeah, you want to place this like halfway up. And also you want to place these blocks in the center of the wheel. If it's not in the center of the wheel, change it. Because it isn't going to work if it's not in the center of the wheel. Okay. I actually should continue using the block place. There you go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to be making a brick bronze Pokemon series if you're curious. Yeah, that's something to look to. 2 bucks. We're gonna need 2 portals. I might make a video with every single secret in about, so you could do more stuff. You could do this with the portals to get to the right place. Or you could do a different technique. So it's a cheap technique. The technique you use when you don't have 3,000 gold just laying in your pocket. Unless you already have jets. I'll show you the cheap technique here. Actually, I'm just going to make this quicker. This might take a while. Hey, come on. What is it even? Do you see this, guys? What is it attached to? Oh, no point. Alright, I'm gonna move 2 portals. No, you cannot move, but place 2 portals. I'm lazy. 2 portals on the side of your box. I suggest, I don't know if it actually does anything, but I feel like it works better. Put a little block there, so let's just, okay, I'm just gonna get this. Need a chair. Oh, by the, I had like 2,000 titanium, 1,000 is the second strongest block in the game. Besides, just third strongest actually. Start a few places in the middle, by the way, for those who and like 3,000 of bricks. But at the time when I had all those materials, I only had 11 wood. Actually, you want to place a chair the other way. I'm doing it wrong right now. So yes, you do want it to be in the middle. I don't know if it matters if it's some side like this. Probably won't matter. I won't miss anything. I'm trying to stay in the face cam. It's so hard. Damn, this is already 9 minutes. Where is the glue block? Zuza, Zenzi. That's some random language. It's not actual language. I just put some random Z's in places over random words. Glue, zoo. Oh wait, that. Block, Zach. Come, Zom. 2, zoo. Me, Z. Z. Okay. You're going to do. You want to do this? Oh, I'm stuck. I forgot. Yeah, you do want to jump. go ahead and anchor everything. Okay. It doesn't matter if your portals actually look like this. It's meant to look like that. If you walk, you're gonna go down sometimes. You have to go like this, and now you can walk down. If you go up, you walk up. Going forward's the easiest way to do this. I just realized it kind of looks like I'm in a hovercraft on some futuristic car. Anyways, you're just gonna want to keep jumping. We literally just jump. Hey. Jump, 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 jump. What happened? Huh? Oh, okay, it just kind of stopped. Oh gosh. You want it to be right besides this hill. And you do want it to be in the air. Alright. You want to anchor this. Anchor. You can't. You need to delete the seat. Because there is a glitch on where you might end up sitting in the seat whenever you go through the portal. Okay, I'm about to die. I have multipliers. Like, I joined the group, so I have a 0.5 multiplier. And also, I did get 2 times gold. So I have a 2 times multiplier. So in total, I have a 2.5 multiplier gold. 3 times gold costs Robux. I have spent Robux in this game, only a little bit. So I barely get any Robux. Finish. Wheel speed 50. I believe you just leave it the same. Yeah, you just leave it the same. So, but, oh, no, copyright. Oh my god. Ah! Hopefully I don't get sued. Does anything? Just one picture. Hope that nothing happens. Okay, sorry guys. YouTube strict. Will torque. Full. What's this one? What's wheel torque for this one? I believe all of them are supposed to be green. Yeah. All wheel torque. Just go ahead and select all. Bring it to the max. Obviously, you're not going to do this since you don't have this, but I need to delete this. Whee! Okay, come on. Actually, better yet, just select everything right now. Turn off collision. Go make sure also your portals so you don't accidentally end up standing on them. Yeah, that should turn collision off. I usually anchor this because it kind of glitches if you don't. So yes, anchor it. What you should do, if you're in a public server, place a glue block. Get a lever. You should save before moving that portal. Hopefully you did. Did you save before moving the portal? Okay, I'm almost gonna have to just stop because I can't make videos on it if it connects. Okay, collision off for the lever and glue block and on anchor. Save with the portal over here. Flip the lever and it starts. Okay, that's it. Bye. Why is it